Welcome to part 3 of AHRMM's Secrets of Successful Collaboration. Today, we're concentrating on finding common ground around the total cost of ownership. AHRMM has been nationally recognized as the cost, quality, and outcomes leader within healthcare. And we're asking suppliers, how can you help? First, we need you to concentrate on what the hospitals are working on and tying your strategic projects to their value offering. Begin by asking your providers, what is your health system working on? How does that impact supply chain? How does that impact the overall goals that you are to accomplish from your CFO? If you could ask me to do one thing, what would that be? Finding common ground around those questions will lead our providers, our GPOs, and distributors to be on the same side to support patient care. To all get on the same side, we must understand the true and total cost associated with care delivery and supporting the care environment. Suppliers and providers must understand the current state and the cost associated with the current state. This may require sharing some data, processes, and airing some dirty laundry that hasn't been shared before. In common ground, hospitals share the same priorities. All health systems work on the same priorities, but have a different order of these priorities. If a problem or concern is a priority in one hospital, then it is a priority in all hospitals. However, a hospital may have already fixed that problem that the supplier just dealt with, and it may not even started in another hospital. The only way to truly know where you are and where you need to focus is to ask. Suppliers need to fit their offering into what the health system is currently working towards. First, to accomplish that, you must understand that there are 3 levels of hospital leadership. There's the C-suite, the strategic level, and the service line level. Each level of leadership is slightly different, and your value proposition must be tailored to the goals that each of these levels have to accomplish. In turn, you also need to understand that there are 3 levels of supply chain leadership. Suppliers need to understand the varying levels of supply chain leaderships and their mission, and suppliers need to fit that offering into what the supply chain leader is currently working towards and to manage the way that they're working towards them. To understand that, you need to look at what is involved in total cost of ownership. Progressive procurement strategies must include products, services, technologies, and processes, and determine to understand how the total cost of ownership plays into each area. Digging a little deeper, we must go into what keeps the supply chain up at night. Thanks for listening. Look for part 4 of Secrets of Successful Collaboration, Supply Chain Leaders' Top Concerns.